Together I know we'd go so far. I'll tell Uncle Rocco to call off the guys with the crowbar.